This is Bark and Roll Adventures, exploring wild places, testing real gear, and capturing every moment along the way. Sometimes the journey to meet up with friends turns out to be just as unforgettable as the destination itself. On this trip, we tackled the rugged beauty of the Chloride Canyon Trail in southwestern New Mexico, a path carved through time, terrain, and tales of the Old West. This wasn't our original plan, but like most great adventures, it found us. With the sun rising behind us and the day still fresh, we pushed forward through the canyon walls, guided only by the trail ahead and the promise of a North Rim rendezvous. The GoPro caught it all, raw and unfiltered. Chloride Canyon isn't just a trail, it's a passage through history. Back in the late 1800s, this rugged gorge was the gateway to the old silver mining town of Chloride. Prospectors and pioneers traveled this very route, hauling supplies and ore through the unforgiving terrain in search of fortune. What remains today is a ghost town, a few buildings, and stories whispered by the wind.
I really need.
really need. The trail is narrow, with steep switchbacks and cliffside drops that keep your attention locked in. It's not a place for mistakes, but that's what makes it unforgettable. Every turn delivers views that make you forget cell service exists. This part of New Mexico feels ancient. Towering rock formations, twisted pinyon and juniper trees, and silence so deep it echoes in your chest. Out here, nature speaks in its own language, and we listened. As we continued deeper into the canyon, it felt like time peeled back. It's easy to imagine stagecoaches rumbling down the same road, dust kicking up in the wake of adventure. We were running solo at this point, heading out to reconnect with our group before heading north, and yet there was something grounding about being alone in this landscape. It's in the solo minds that you really feel what adventure means. It's not just the unknown, it's the freedom to be present in it. The trail eventually lets us out. Dusty, satisfied, and already looking forward to what the North Rim had in store. But Chloride Canyon? That one's going to stick with us. It was more than just a road. It was a reminder that the best paths are the ones that make you feel small, wild, and alive. Next stop, reunion with the crew and the start of our North Rim adventure. If you've never driven the Chloride Canyon Trail, add it to your list. And when you do, take your time. Soak it in.